Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious Thai green sauce. Okay, these are the ingredients. I'm going to be listing them at the description. Okay, please check them out. So I have all green peppers, I have my rice, some shrimps. I'm going to be using beef. You can use chicken, some bay leaves, salt optional, garlic powder, black pepper, soy sauce, some curry for color for the rice, coconut milk, a bit of thyme cube, or you can skip it, and extra virgin of olive oil. So I've already parboiled the rice that I'm going to be using for this recipe. So for the peppers, I'm going to be using my food processor to blend them because I'm not going for the smooth creamy consistency or texture. You will see the texture I was going for. So I added a little bit of water to blend them, but this is totally optional because food processor can blend without water. Okay, so I'm going to blend them and filter the peppers. Yes, I'm going to drain out the liquid, the water I added and the water that came out of the pepper. Then we are going to be working with only the pepper without the liquid. So for the rice, this is the rice. I told you guys I've already parboiled the rice. So this is the stock that came out of the meat I showed you earlier. I added it into the rice. If you don't have it, you can skip this process, okay? I throw in 2 bay leaf, and now I'm going to be adding my coconut cream into the rice. You can use only coconut cream, but me, I wanted to add extra water again, okay? Just play around with it. Now I'm going to add curry into the rice just for the color. You can skip it if you don't want. You can actually add turmeric as well. This recipe is inspired by my friend Ebun Valentine. I'm going to be linking the original recipe at description. So put the lid on and allow that to cook. So over to the sauce. Now I'm adding the peppers into my pan over the heat. I'm going to add the seasoning. I'm using what is it called again? I'm going to be leaving the name of the seasoning in this description for you guys, okay? So Aromat. So after adding a little bit of Aromat, I'm adding a dash of it all. I'm going to add garlic powder, about a half teaspoon of garlic powder, black pepper, and a pinch of thyme. Yes, that is the seasoning I'm using for this. So after adding them, I'm going to give them a quick stir. Then I will add the oil, the extra virgin of olive oil. If you don't have extra virgin of olive oil, go ahead and use vegetable oil or coconut oil for this recipe. So after adding the oil, I'm going to give them a quick stir and allow that to cook down for like 5 minutes. Okay guys, this is after 5 minutes. I'm adding the beef. As you can see, I chopped the beef in a cube, tiny cube. Okay, you can use chicken for this. Now I'm going to add half of that natural cube, stock cube. Yeah, this is natural. No, there is no preservative into the one I'm using. And I'm also going to be adding a tablespoon and half of soy sauce into the sauce. Give them a quick stir while they are cooking on a low heat. Don't use high heat to cook this, okay? So now I'm going to be adding a bit of parsley leaf. You can add more if you like parsley. So give them a quick stir after adding the parsley. As you can see, they are cooking on a medium low heat and not on a high heat, okay? So now I'm going to be adding the coconut milk into the sauce. Yeah, coconut milk is one of the last recipe we are adding. I'm going to be adding shrimps after that, okay? So we all know that shrimps cook very fast. So after adding the shrimps, I'm going to allow them to cook for 5 minutes, and we are good to go. Okay guys, this is after 5 minutes of adding the shrimps. You can cook your shrimps longer than that. The sauce is ready guys. This tasted so delicious that my husband never liked coconut based meal, but he loved this recipe and my kids enjoy it so much. Thank you Ebun Valentine, and I would love you guys to give this recipe a try. You will love it. You and your family are going to enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe and share and like this video if you enjoy it. Give it a try. You will never regret trying this recipe. Thank you guys once again for subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Love you guys. Bye.